Hey guys, so this is part 2 of my spring cleaning post. It was getting a little too loud out there, starting to give me a headache, so I decided to come inside where it's nice and quiet. Hear that? All right, so if you're the type of person that has ADHD or maybe is not good at organizing yourself and trying to figure out how to even begin to do spring cleaning for your house, this is your video. This is the video for you. Mark it, save it, and replay it, whatever it is to help you, because I grew up in a very organized home. My mom did a good job of that and instilled it in us to organize our things or whatever. I took very good care of my stuff, and I have toys that from the 80s that I still have that are almost in mint condition. And so I speak from experience as well as experience of a mom that was very organized and kept our house clean. And I grew up in that environment, so when I got married, I wanted to keep that environment and realized soon that it was hard. When you have children, it is so hard to keep a house clean. It's hard to organize your things. But I think that it's the small things that you do that make a huge difference. And I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've learned in the 51 years of life that I hopefully will help you in your journey of getting your house organized and clean and all that stuff. One of the main things that I've learned is to let go. Let go of things that clutter your home and fill it with things that you truly appreciate, that bring you joy. I am a hoarder by nature. I love to keep things, and I'm very sentimental when it comes to stuff. I want to keep it all. But realistically, you just can't. You cannot keep everything. Every little card someone sends you, or little notes or pictures that your kids draw. All those things, you could take a photo of them or scan them and save them if you want, but it creates a lot of clutter in your home. Even clothes, like I have clothes that I didn't want to get rid of because they had sentimental value, and I had to get rid of them. Even socks, something as simple as socks. And so I had learned little different strategies of how to keep it at a minimal. You know, like if I get more than a drawer full of socks, I know I'm in trouble. I need to, declutter and get rid of some socks. I don't keep socks after they've started to get stretched out, or if they have holes in them or anything like that. Throw them away. If I can't find a match after doing the laundry, I used to just put them, stash them for months at a time in hopes that I would find the matching pair. And you know what? A sock, think about how much a sock costs. Is it really worth? Well, now think about it. Is it really worth it? Is it really? And if it is, then do it. But 9 times out of 10, I'm pretty sure that sock it's good to be thrown away. One thing too, as far as like cleaning, daily cleaning, decluttering. So like if you go to a room and you notice a cup on the counter, instead of letting it go, just put it away. And teach your children to do that. When you're done eating, put away your dishes. If the sink gets, full a lot in your home, one of the things that you can start doing is saying after every meal, put away the dishes. We have a dishwasher, so there's no excuse. Just put them in the dishwasher, and when you see it's full, run it. Now, we got these really cool magnets that go on the dishwasher. That one says clean, and then the other side is dirty. And so we put it on there. If it's clean dishes, people know that they can get dishes from in there and put them away, hopefully. And if it says dirty, then they know that they can load up dirty dishes in there. And then when it's full, they can go ahead and run it and put the clean side on there. And so that's one thing. If you have an area where people tend to dump papers and things when they come in the house, make it a point to clear that out each day. Because after a while, it will build up. And then you'll be a mess, and you have no way to, it'll be just so hard to sort through all the things. If you're a stasher, learn to throw away and learn to put everything in its place. If there's not a place for it, then think twice about keeping it. If you go to the store and you're one of those spontaneous buyers that, impulsive buying is a big thing. If you see something on sale, you get just because it's on sale. For every one thing you buy, throw away 2 or 3 things or donate it. That's another thing. I used to be of the mindset, you got to throw out. No, you can donate it. One man's trash is another man's treasure. And there's so many flea markets and so many like Goodwill, you know, things like that, thrift shops that take donations. And sometimes it's for a good cause. So it should make you feel good to be able to donate something that you're no longer going to use, but somebody else can. I have so many tips. You know, one other thing, clothes. So if you haven't worn your clothes in over a year, you just need to throw it out. Even if you think that it's something that you're going to wear once you lose weight or whatever it is that you have rationaled in your brain, you know. We can, you know, rationalize anything, I think, you know, to keep, donate it. You will be so much happier to be able to buy something new and reward yourself when you've lost that weight, if that's your, you know, excuse. If there's an emotional attachment to the things, it helps to bring a friend in. Say, hey, call up a friend and tell them to come and say, hey, help me declutter my closet and help me get rid of some stuff because I really need help. I'm emotionally attached to these things. And since they're not, they can easily, as an outsider, be able to tell you, listen, come on, why are you holding on to this? And so that's always a good thing to do, to utilize your friends. One more tip. Again, you know, if you are a person that was not taught, because I have friends who were not taught to clean and how to organize a home. There are so many videos and books out there for you. And if you feel like you have your challenge is beyond something that you can help yourself, get professional help. There are professional organizers out there who don't charge an awful lot to help you get started. And then once you get started, you have a game plan, you write it down, you can like recruit help, get your friends to help you. And I've done that before and it's so much fun. It's a lot of fun to take before and after photos. I recommend doing that, by the way. If you really want to know, I joined a Facebook group. It was something organization. I can't remember the first word of it, but there are so many organization type of groups on Facebook. So join one of them. Join it and they support you. I remember posting pictures of my befores of my rooms and stuff. And I've gone back to look at them and it's awesome to see how far I've come. I still have my issues. I still have areas where I do tend to dump things and I have lots of paper clutter. I still struggle with that, but I've come a long way. They say that if you can organize your home, like let's say somebody called you and said, hey, I'm going to come visit. If you can organize your home in an hour, get it all clean and tidy and all that in an hour, then you're doing fine. And so I think I'm at that point. You know, if you gave me an hour's notice, I could get my house in tip-top shape at this point. Because there's only really two areas. My master bedroom, because I share it with my hubby, who's a messy, and the kitchen. Always is, you know, there's always dishes in the sink or, you know, counters need to be wiped and stuff like that. So hopefully there's a tip or two in this post that will help you. I will try to do another one, but I think I've already gone past my limit. I'm not, I do try to maintain these videos at a certain number of minutes. So as always, good luck on your journey and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye.